I just wanted to show you the kit for the Emily journal that I printed out. I printed out the whole kit, but these are essentially the pieces that I put into the Emily journal, which is here. And this is an envelope that was transparent, and so I printed it on tracing paper. And I was really afraid that it was going to get stuck in my printer, but it didn't. So I was very happy about that. Just printed on one side. You can see you can't print double-sided, of course, because it's on transparent paper stuff. And then I have these stickers that are part of the kit. And you have to excuse me. I am downstairs. I'm not at my desk taping this. I am downstairs. Because my desk is quite the mess right now. And I just wanted, before I started cutting these out, I wanted to show you the kit. And so this is one of the sticker pages. Oops. And the second one. And the third one. And these are the wallpaper printouts. This I printed on sticker paper. I thought that I had ordered sticker paper that said it was going to be matte, but as you can see, this is not matte. And I'm not really happy with that, but we'll see. And this I printed out on matte photo paper. And the reason I did that, because this is wallpaper, and this photo paper is a little bit spongy. I mean, it's a little more porous, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but when you tear it, you'll see what I mean. It's just more, I don't know. Yeah, more porous. It's just spongier. What can I say? And the other wallpaper. I mean, I wanted, because wallpaper, when you tear it, has a really a lot of it, the tear showing, the underside of the tear showing, and that's what this paper will do. That's why I chose this. I know I'm making no sense at all today, but there it is. Alrighty. You can always tell my mood after I've printed things from my printers, because I always have problems with it. My printer does not print the color the way I want it. I have tried everything to fix it. It's a Pro 100, a Canon Pro 100, and I've looked online, and there are all kinds of things that you can do to try to adjust it. And without costing me more money, there's really no way that I can adjust it. Everything they said that you should be able to do is not there in my printer to click on. So, I mean, like color management. There is no color management in the menu, so I don't know how to. So this one came out really orange on my printer. It was way too orangey, so I covered it up with my ink, my distress ink, and then I'll cut it out. And this one folds. This is like an envelope that'll fold up. And this one, there's a lot of postcards. Now, I scaled them down in this kit because this is meant for a book that's about, I think it's 6 inches. And so I scaled everything down to fit. Unless there was things that I want to fold up. But this is on regular cardstock. These here. And then like these here will be too large for the book. So I meant for them to be folded and put in the book. It's a picture of a girl reading. She's reading Emily's poetry, of course. And here's just a random letter. It's just thanking somebody for something. And I'd like to think that it was from Emily. And then there's this bird's nest, and this is from Chatterbox. Wow, I have an old Chatterbox book, and it's dark. It's really like scary dark. And I won't even use the images, a lot of the images from that book, because they're just so dark and scary. I don't know how it was a children's book, but it was. And this is something that I just kind of added in because I thought it was really cute. It's a fold. You can make this. It's instructions to make a folding purse, paper purse, hat, and boat. And I don't know. It may go in and may not, but I just thought it was really cute. I might just actually make the purse and put it in the book. And these papers here were printed on coffee stained, like a newsprint paper. It's not the real thin. This was actually from a children's drawing pad, and so it was a little tiny bit thicker than regular newsprint, but it's essentially, that's what it is. It's newsprint paper. And I had coffee stained it. So it was wrinkly, and I was afraid what it was going to do when it went through the printer. And it went through fine, but because there are lumps and bumps on the paper, it kind of made these little scrapey marks of the ink coming off the printer head. But I don't mind that. I like it. It's grungy. So, yeah, that. And then this one. And I printed that. This one I say to print on paper, but you can also print this on cardstock. Like that's a book cover. These two things here are book cover. They're duplicates. I put two of them on there. I just kind of liked them. And this you can print out. This is a calling card that you might want to print out on cardboard. But I thought that I'd like to stick it down with glue, and so it didn't need to be on cardboard. And then here's one with a face and the flowers, and this one is this might have come from like Beauty and the Beast or something. Not sure, but that one. And then this is on just regular copy paper, because I'll be just pasting these down. And I made these. These are some of Emily's parts of her poems. I couldn't fit them all on the sticker, the sticker thingies. And then there's just some other stickers that I had that I thought would be cool. And this is actually the back of the photograph that I showed earlier, which is somewhere right here. It was on the back of this here. And so I thought it was kind of cool. And also, like the other, like the photo, it came out really orange. I mean, it was like a pumpkin. I can't believe my printer does that. But anyway, so I browned it. I grunged it up with some Distress ink. I used some gray, and I used coffee. I think it's coffee bean to do that. But that's what I wanted to show you for my Emily journal. And that's it. Okay.